Libraries are not just full of books, they're full of ideas. The British Libraries Business and IP Centre National Network is leading a revolution by inspiring a thriving community of new and existing business owners. Throughout the year, we have workshops, webinars, one-to-one advice sessions and panel talks with inspiring speakers, which cover the fundamentals of starting and running a business. Our partnership with the Intellectual Property Office means that we can also give you guidance on how to protect your ideas and signpost you to your next move. Our support doesn't stop there. We have over £5 million worth of online market reports from top publishers, company data and accounts, startup books, business directories, journals, and patents available for you to access for free. The UK is one of the best places in the world to start a business. Join our thriving business community in your local library and get inspired.